Okay, hello everyone. So today we got an Ibanez TOD10N-TKF. This is Tim Henson's signature model. In for pro setup. Um, Again, because of the string being slightly a bit higher, it doesn't translate a lot of tone and volume itself. So my job is just to bring it down so it becomes a bit more comfortable to play. Okay, so stay tuned to the end. There's another signature series model coming in for me to work on, so stay tuned for that as well. Bye. Okay, so we got an Ibanez here. This is a Tim Henson signature model coming in for pro setup. Previously, the base side was around 3.6, or 3.7, close to 3.7. So it's pretty high. Right now is at close to 2. Actually, I want to go 1.75, but if I go any lower, you will lose tone. So this is actually very much more comfortable than previously. The lay of the neck, I could make it a bit more straighter, but I will let him try first, see if he's okay with this. For me, this is quite comfortable already. So yeah, note test. Ready? Let me know when you want to pick up. The other guitar is done as well. Bye! Okay, I hope you like the work. If you have anything or any questions you want to engage my services, you can contact me via WhatsApp 84189951. Hope to see you soon. Bye.